not. I want to actually implement the other things right in there. So, and as you can see, I mean, we still have plenty of space inside of this, so it's not like we're hurting for space. Boop. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, so another moment of Adam's brilliant. Reroute. First and foremost, go ahead and do this. Then go reroute. Let's pull this. I don't know where we're at with like reroute nodes and things in materials, but I do believe there is a feature request in for it. Unfortunately, I don't have any additional information on that. Let's kill this blueprint Thulu before it starts getting too crazy and, trying to consume the brains of the populace. Reroute. Yeah, I know there's stuff that's going on with it. I just don't know what that stuff is. Since I'm not on the rendering team or on the rendering part of our support team, it's difficult for me to say like offhand, yeah, this is totally happening. But I believe that reroute nodes were added as a feature request for Material Editor, which would be wonderful. It would make my time and the limited time that I spend in there much more efficient. Then let's get one more reroute node, put it right here, boop, and boop, and that will make this a lot less Blueprint Thulu-y. Much easier to read. Much easier to read. Save. And then let's see what all toys we got. So, gotta get a bunch of level ups. Okay. Sorry, our level actually stops at some point, so now I believe we use skill point, and then we can't. Oh, we can. I need to set that up to where it has to have both of these. Boom. And then we go hack, and then plus 10 to stats, and it does it multiple times. Just interesting, it did not update these. Interesting. Hold on. What's going on here? Okay. I don't even remember how many levels we actually have set up. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, these don't do any more, which is good. Alright, I need to watch stat sheet. I need to go out. Why is it not watching? Stat sheet 4. All of them should be at 100. Okay. maybe I need to... Wonder if I need to run the get text again. Stat sheet. Open this back up. Hey, D. Franks, how you doing? Let's see. I think I need to run all the get text for... No? Doesn't. Strength text? No. So I don't know why that's not working. Okay. We also need to set this on a do once. Do once. Boom. No reset, because we do not want to allow them to get multiple copies of these stats. And bring this in. What can I do? What is going on? Maybe... No. Currently, Franks, we're working on a skill tree for like RPG style games. I've got most of it done. However, this one right here is causing some problems, which I would think that this would work, but undo that. Yeah, the values inside the macro is the same thing for each check. The question is why isn't this text block updating? Let me find this. Okay, hold on. Because these are running the strength bonus. And here comes the next interesting problem. I mean, I could do a for loop 10 times and just do each one of these and then add a stat point. No, that doesn't make any sense, because that would require the player to not be holding on to stats. Why are you doing this to me? Why? I do not understand. Alright, set this up. 1, 2... There. Okay. Jump, heal, cooldown, lockpick, hack. Okay. These should be bumping up. But they're not. Ow. have an idea. It's not a great idea, but it's an idea. I could move this functionality kind of to one sec. Okay, we're going to create a custom function. We're going to call this stats plus 10 tech. Okay. Now we're going to get stat pool, or get stat pool, get spent stats. Move these over. I need to create two local variables. Float stat pool spent stat. Sorry, I need these ints, not bools. I'm trying an idea, because I think the problem is that it's not being because it's not being updated in the player controller, that the sheet is not wanting to accept that. Like it knows that the stats have increased, but it doesn't want to register that, which I think has been a constant problem anyways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically run the functions that are already present inside of so let's see, inside the RPG controller, where we have I keep doing that. Okay, event graph there. So where we have like strength up, fin up, whiz up, con up. I'm going to run all of these, and then I'm just going to set the stat pool and the spent stats to the same thing they were. That way it doesn't actually change what stats are getting the plus 10. Let's see if it does this. Can't remember if it, yeah, okay. Up, fin up, con up. I'm going to need to run this on the on 10 times. I've thought about doing that middle. I didn't want to really mess with it because it wasn't as necessary for this one, but it is something I've considered doing. Int up, charm up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, wisdom. Put that on a for loop. Loop body. We're going to stretch out here, move that a little bit. Index 1, 10. And then we're going to set spent